At Unlock VA, we're not just virtual assistants, we're your partners. Your success is our success, and we treat every client like a family.
We know that every call counts, every lead matters, and every deal has the potential to change your business. That's why we show up every day with confidence, professionalism, and a commitment to getting results.
We don't just make calls, we build connections, gather valuable insights, and help turn prospects into opportunities. We listen, we engage, and we represent your brand with the highest level of care.
At Unlock VA, we take pride in what we do. We support our clients every step of the way. Because when you win, we win. Let's build something great together.
Hi, I'm Sheila Thompson, the owner of Unlock VA. If you're ready to take your business to the next level, schedule a call today at www.unlockva.com.